cocktail called Morning Smoke. It is all of those things that encompass that morning coffee and a cigarette, but in stirred cocktail form. We start with a little bit of Angostura bitters, quarter ounce of Tempus Fugit, creme de cacao.
You said you really like that one.
Oh, this is one of the best creme de cacaos I've ever had. Any chocolate liqueurs I've ever had. This is so rich. There's so much vanilla to it. You have, like, most of those spirits are spirits with chocolate added. This is like chocolate with liquor added. Like, it's amazing. It's so rich and it complements any drink. 3/4 ounces of St. George NOLA coffee liqueur. So lastly, we are adding our mezcal to it. In this case, Maguey Vida. So this is only 1.5 ounces. Only. Just 1.5 ounces of mezcal in the morning. You know, it's not too bad.
What's the perfect time of day you think to drink that? Like, would 10 a.m. be too early for this?
No, I think 10 a.m. is right on the money. I think 10 a.m. is the perfect time for this cocktail. it's almost too much, but it is fantastic. This was a different approach. I wanted to take that kind of rich, like, just very deep cocktail to kind of get things going. It's almost savory.
And how long do you stir it for?
In this case, I'm doing about 25 seconds. Just a really nice chill. It's still on ice, so it's on the rocks, so you still get, you know, just enough to mix it.
Yeah, it looks like a serious cocktail for them. You didn't really see that for daytime.
Oh yeah, that was the. It was all things breakfast, but in a little bit more intense form. Finish it with a little more smoke. Just a little Spritz Laphroiag. And then your orange juice.
You can have this at night.
Of course, you can have this any time of day. Morning smoke.